Hi, welcome to Vidyapeedam. This is Nitya. Today we are going to discuss about the MCQs of living world. So let us start our video. The first question is, which one of the following cannot be called a habitat? First option, a desert with camel. B option, a pond with fish. C option, a jungle with wild animals. D option, cultivated land with grazing cattle. So what do you mean by a habitat? The region or place where an organism lives is called habitat. So the camel's habitat is desert. The fish habitat is pond, and the wild animal's habitat is jungle. But D option is it's different. So it's not a habitat. So cultivated land with the grazing cattle is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question. The smallest organelles in a cell are first option lysosome, B spirosome, C option peroxisome, D option ribosome. So first option lysosome, spirosome, peroxisome, fourth option ribosome. Which is the smallest organelles in a cell? So correct answer is ribosome. The fine network of membrane distributed throughout the cytoplasm in a cell is Golgi body. Second option mitochondria. Third option endoplasmic reticulum. Fourth option lysosome. So the fine network membrane distributed throughout the cytoplasm in a cell is endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is C. Endoplasmic reticulum. All are membrane bounded cell organelles except mitochondria, spirosome, ribosome, lysosome. All are membrane bounded cell organelles except ribosome. C is the correct answer. All other cell organelles are bounded with the membrane. Which one of the following does not have DNA? Nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, option D ribosome. Which one of the following does not have a DNA? So correct answer is D ribosome. Next question, sixth one, the powerhouse of a cell is called first option cell wall, B mitochondria, C ribosome, fourth option nucleus. So correct answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria is powerhouse of a cell. Seventh one, the kitchen of the cell is called cell wall, nucleus, vacuoles, plastids. Which is the kitchen of the cell? The correct answer is plastids. Option D, plastids. Eighth question, the functional unit of life is called option A cell, option B egg, option C nucleus, option D none of this. The functional unit of a life is called a cell. So option A is the correct answer. Chloroplast is found in plant cell only, animal cell only, both of these, and none of this. Chloroplast is only found in plant cell. Option A is the correct answer. 10th question, the control unit of a cell is nucleus, B cell wall, C cytoplasm, D all of this. The control unit of a cell is nucleus. Option A is the correct answer. 11th question, single celled organisms are called unicellular, multicellular, both of these, and D none of these. Single cell organism is called unicellular. Single cell organism is called unicellular. Cell is discovered by option A Robert Brown, option B Robert Hooke, option C John Mendel, option D Charles Darwin. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. So option B is the correct answer. The cell, it's a cell, C-E-L-L, not A. The cell capable of changing shapes are amoeba cell, option B WBC, option C both of these, and D none of these. Amoeba and WBC capable of changing shapes. So answer is both of these, option C. Hence egg is a tissue, organ and organ system, option D cell. Hence egg is a cell, option D is the correct answer. Question number 15. Golgi apparatus is absent in liver cell, higher plants, blue-green algae, option D yeast. So correct answer is blue-green algae. Option C is the correct answer, blue-green algae. 16th question. Mitochondria are found in all cells, only in plant cell, only in animal cells, in all eukaryotics. Mitochondria is a organelles of a cell, so it can found in all eukaryotics. Option D is the correct answer. 17th question. Lysosome are known as a suicidal bags because of catalytic activity, hydrolytic activity, parasitic activity, option D saprophytic activity. Option B hydrolytic activity is the correct answer. Lysosomes are generally found in animal cell, plant cell, both animal and plant cell, and D bacteria cell. Lysosomes are generally found in animal cell. Option A is the correct answer. 19th question. The characteristic of a living object is option A growth, B reproduction, option C ability to sense the environment and respond accordingly. Here the question is the only the characteristics of a living object. They don't mention any defining characteristics. They are told only the characteristics. So growth, reproduction, ability to sense the environment and respond accordingly. All of these are the characteristics of a living organism. So option D is the correct answer. All. In animals, the growth is seen only up to a certain age. However, plant growth occurs, option A, intermittently on external events like cut, abstraction. Option B, continuously throughout their lifespan. Option C, only up to a certain age, just like animals. Option D, none of these. Plant growth occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. So correct answer is option B. In the higher plants and animals, growth and reproduction are option A mutually exclusive event, option B same thing, option C co-occur, option D none of these. In higher plants and animals, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive event. So option A is the correct answer. Select animals which reproduce by asexual means. A. Protozoa, option B fungi, option C porifera, option D both A and B. So asexual means It's mostly occurs in unicellular organisms. So single parent involved. So protozoa and fungi are the unicellular organism. So option D is the correct answer, both A and B. Question number 23. Hydra, protozoa and mold reproduce asexually by budding, binary fission, fragmentation respectively. Option B, all by fragmentation. Option C, all by budding. Option D, none of these. So Hydra, protozoa and mold reproduce asexually by budding, binary fission, fragmentation. So option A is the correct answer. The biological name of human is Homo sapiens, Homo erectus. Option C, Homo lucinos. Option D, none of these. The biological name of human is Homo sapiens. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Binomial nomenclature was given by Ernest Mayr. Option B, Carlos Linnaeus. Option C, Aristotle. Option D, none. So Carlos Linnaeus is given by binomial nomenclature. So option B is the correct answer. The botanical name is a two-word name with genus and species. The correct representation of mango in a biological term is Mangifera indica. Option B, Mangifera indica. Option C, Mangifera indica. Option D also Mangifera indica. Option E is B and C. In this question, all the words are similar, but the representation is different. So, the representation of botanical name is first one genus and followed by species. The first letter of genus is capital letter, but the species first letter is small letter, and it will be a Italian words. So, option B and option C is the correct answer. First option, the first letter of genus is capital, but the species also capital letter. Option D, first letter and second letter in small letter. So the correct answer is option C, B and C.